Hello everyone and welcome back to this new video on the WhatsApp. Previously, we have recorded one video on WhatsApp and there were 20 secrets. This is the link of the video and it has got very good response and thank you for that everyone. Here there's a part 2 video. In this video, we'll be learning about advanced features about WhatsApp. And these WhatsApp features are already there from many years, but we do not know how to use it. So let's try to understand about the advanced features in the WhatsApp applications in this video. The first topic is about the video notes. If I want to send a video note to someone else, how do I do that? We can go to WhatsApp here and I'll just go to self option here. Now here, if you see on the right hand side, there's a camera icon. If I long press, it will open a video recording. And this is a video message which I want to share. If I just move this scroll up, it will lock and it will record for a few seconds. And now suppose I want to talk to someone, if I'm missing someone, giving a training to someone, tutorial to someone, writing to some person, I can record this message as a video notes and I can just send it to the relevant person. So when the person watches this video, they will be getting in a circular format and that's a simple note. Instead of sending them in a voice message or in a text format, video makes a lot of sense. So video recordings will help you to convey your message in a better manner. That's the first one. Second option, which is video call effects. Now suppose I want to call someone, I'll just search here name as Shubhajit and on the Shubhajit part, I'll just click on this call button here. Now I'm just calling here. Shubhajit is the person who's right now with me in the recordings studio. So now if you see on the top, there's an option here, which is coloring option or modify. I can just go down at the effect option and here these are different effects. So Gen Z people might like this option if they want to change this to some other option here like this, to have a specs or to have something else. Also, if you're taking a meetings at your locations, you can see the background at the bottom. In this background at the bottom, I can just click on this option. You see the background has been removed. Now I do not have the same background. I can again click on the next background. So if you're having a meeting on WhatsApp application with some other person, you can use this feature where you can change the background. It works like your Microsoft Teams and Google Meet and Zoom meetings and so on. Okay, so this kind of background changes you can be. Okay, if you do not want, you just make it as none. Same way, there are filter options where you can change the way you want to look in the video. Now, similarly, this was about the option here. Now, there's an option given as touch-up mode. So, touch-up mode will help you to remove the, the bad things on your face. If it is not good looking, the touch-up mode will help you do that. Same way, there's an option where you can just see the background option. Like this is the studio where we're recording and I can just put a back camera and front camera option here. So this is one option, which is the video call effects in the WhatsApp application. The next one, we have voice message. Suppose if I want to send a voice message to someone, how do I do that? I can just go to the group here, compulsory. And now I can just long press on this voice message or whatever I want to convey to my team, to my someone. Okay. And I can just long press this small mic icon and it will record an audio message. So this is very good for people who do not know how to type, people who do not know the, typing or English or anything. They can just press and speak instead of typing a lengthy message, they can convey the whole message. This will also capture emotions, the way you're talking, because sometimes in the text messages, you're not able to convey properly. But here, when you're putting voice message, the modulation and everything comes here. Now, sometimes the voice message, when you send, you do not want to hear it, but you want to get the transcribe of it. Now, the next topic we have is voice message transcript. Now, when you select this option, the voice message on the top 3 dots, and here we have the option as transcribe. When you click on transcribe, the voice will be converted to text. So sometimes it is important. You can see on this voice message and whatever I want to convey to my team and so on. So it will transcribe the text either in Hindi, English or whatever languages you speak into. The next one, we have screen share. Now suppose I want to share the screen with my colleague. Okay, I can click on this 3 dots and here at the bottom, if you see share screen. When we click on share screen, the screen of my mobile phone will be shared with the person and they can see my mobile phone messages. It works like your laptop screen sharing for Zoom or Google Meet and so on. Okay. Now there's one more message option given as edit send message. Sometimes we send a message to a person and we want to edit that message. For example, I will send a message to Shubhajit, please come for recording. I have sent this message to Shubhajit. Now suppose I want to edit this message. I have sent the message. I want to edit that message. I can just long press and 3 dots, and here there's an option of edit. When I click on edit, I can tell them recording at 2. So now the same message has been edited. You can see please come for recording at 2. Okay, so you can edit a message which I've already sent for 15 minutes, max to max 15 minutes. That's the latest feature. You can edit the message from a particular chat or from a particular group. That is possible. So this is how we can edit a send message. The next one, we have something named as pin messaging. So suppose if I select this option, if I select this particular message, I can click on 3 dots, and here I can just click on pin. So I can pin this message for, let's say, 30 days. Click on pin. Message on the top, please come for recording at 2. So I can just select something else. Maybe I can select this message, and I can just click on 3 dots, click on pin, and okay. So same way on the top, if you see, we can just click and you can see the message will be going to that location. You can pin n number of messages. It will allow you, liberty to save your time, and you don't have to scroll and search for that particular message. Now there's a new feature named as chat with AI. Now, if I want to chat with particular AI feature, how do I do that? We'll go to the WhatsApp application. Here at the bottom, if you see, there's a plus icon. We can click on this plus icon. Now, when you click on plus icon, it's for a new contact. So we can go for new group, new contact, new community, and so on. But here's an interesting feature, which is chat with AIs. When we click on chat with AIs, now these are kind of chatbots which are already created. Okay, for example, these are popular characters, which is mom, I give you advice, Ajay, and so on. Advice and connection, these are some chatbots which are created. Then there's a pop culture, continue chatting, and so on. So suppose if I want to have a good advice, I want to get a good advice, I click on this option and I can click on start chatting. So what happens is, this bot is trained to guide people. It knows that people will come to you for guidance. Okay, so I can ask a question that I'm feeling stuck in my career, any advice. So this will keep on asking some questions, and then I can get the answers from this particular AI. There are plenty of different bots which are created. Same way for gaming, same way for the options given as pop culture, and so on. So whichever resonates with your work, you can pick up. Now, not only these 3 popular AI characters, but when you click on view all, these are different chatbots which are created. This chatbot knows the logic behind, they have been trained. For example, AI tarot readings. So if I click on AI tarot readings, click on start chatting, I can get healings, I can get tarot readings from this particular place. So I can say, please give me a reading that will illuminate my path. So these are few options it is giving the answers right now. So this is very interesting, chat with AI. And the last one we have in the WhatsApp application, how do we export the chat history? This is very important. Now, whenever we are changing the mobile phones, the chat goes away. We are not able to recall that chat, but you can save these chats into some location. How do we do that? Click on 3 dots, then click on the settings option. In the settings option, we can see chats, and in the chats option, we can see at the bottom, transfer chats. When we click on transfer chats option, we can transfer chat history to Android phone. We can move this data to some other location. That's one option. But there's also an option given as chat backup. When you click on chat backup, it is going to take the entire backup of your chatting. Okay, all the messages. You can also include the videos, include some images as well. So those options will be by default backed up. This will be doing a backup in your Google Drive. You can click on chat history at the bottom, and here on the top, if you see export chat. When you click on the export chat, now you can export the complete chat to relevant person. You can select whom do you want to export the particular chat. So that is easy option here. These are secret hidden features which people do not know. It's already in the mobile phone, in the WhatsApp, but very few people have the understanding about that. So that's all for this video.